try this again. Hopefully the old one stayed.
It would be really pleased if there's a deadliest attack mode out there.
Well, the big difference between being out there and being here is all of the energy is being transferred from the wave to the shoreline right here, whereas out there the energy is just moving along. That's why the waves get bigger on the beach. Spray all over my screen either. That piece is just completely moved up the shoreline. Hey! Cal! Ruin your camera down there. The salt spray is just, that mist is just going to eat that camera off. I would leave it, don't turn it off, I'd leave it open so you can clean it off without sucking that stuff into the lens. Where'd that big one go? Oh, there it is. Series of some big ones coming in there. James Island. It's actually a good spot right here. The wind's, it's a little protected from the wind. They got a solid rest. It's just, yeah.
Look at those huge stumps.
Yeah.
Oh, the wave crashing in the
Get some pictures down there. Some still pictures after this video. I'm kind of tempted to go down here to get a more water level view, but I don't want to get soaked. Oh, that's that 30 footers rotated all the way back out again already.
Oh, what about the big tree?
It hasn't been moving at all, that scene. Yeah, it's that big root wide sticking up. Get salt all over that front. hopefully the video can get some of the sound of this wood just crunching and cracking. This big huge stump log out there. That one's about 3 feet across, about 18 feet long. Probably 4 feet at the base. Wish I could pull that one telephone pole out of there. That'd be a nice one. Amazing the tonnage of wood there.